Okay, let's go back and keep moving because this is the way the plot is. The other way was goodies, but now there's plot. The fuck are you? Madouge. I thought that thing on the end of the chain was their head, but from the side you can actually see what it is. It's just robots. I don't know. They're not that hard. Not much XP. I mean, I need 1,500 for next level. This gives like 140. I'm gonna eventually have to find like a spot where I can farm peacefully. I know in one of the early games, like Final Fantasy 1 or 2 or something, there was like this bug where on the main continent, at the very edge of the main continent, it counted as the other continent or island or whatever, which had high-end level mobs that you could farm on a low level and then get a shit ton of XP from that early on. I wonder if this game has something like that. Make my job a little easier. Spam X! Remember, JRPGs often, unless they are extremely strategic or it's a boss fight, spam X. You can hear it, I'm doing it. That's like, I should I should have like a press per minute ppm meter here, because this is at least 150. If I do it with two, like if you do it with 2 fingers, that's like you're a pianist, because pianists do it when you have to play a single note very very fast. You do it with 2 fingers. You can do it faster then. These guys are just not dying. I don't know what else to say. This is getting tiring. Or just get a fucking power button, power controller, turbo. That's the word. Turbo controller. Then you don't have to press it constantly. You just press it down, and that's good. This. My keyboard doesn't have a turbo button. It would be very interesting if it did. These are not very strong enemies. There we go. Ah, fuck my finger. That was a bad joke. Quite a bit of XP at least. Still not farm worthy though. Item here. And that's the end of it. Where do I go? I can go that way, but I can climb up here, of course. I picked up some goodies at the start. I already picked them up. Oh, they're behind me. I thought that roots were the enemy, like a giant spider or something. 12 damage for a backstab is very pathetic, guys. Let me just lean back a little. What if I just press and hold? Holy shit. It actually works. Look at that speed. This is peak X spamming performance. I don't even have to spam it, I just press and hold. Why did nobody tell me this? Look at that. And the animations could be a bit longer. I don't know if there is like a I should probably check the menu in case there is like an option to speed up combat animations. Battle speed is already at max, so that's as fast as it gets. This one. Okay, who are you? These are okay. Holy shit, calm down, Ares. This is so much better. Now I don't even need a turbo button. Why are these guys doing 5 damage? 5 damage was not much at the start of the game. 40 is a bit more respectable. Guys, can you hit them? But his special attack gets an animation and everything. It deals 5 damage. Alright. Also, if anyone's here, last time when I was resting at the inn in this game and there was that inn music, dude. Something like that. Anyway, I said that it was actually familiar. And then I looked it up because I mentioned already that one of the few JRPGs I played was Ahriman's Prophecy. What's wrong? Edit, you don't look so good there. Anyway, Ahriman's Prophecy, I'm gonna have to use a bunch of items on these guys because they are just losing everything. I'm gonna say in a second, but this is infuriating. Guys. No. I get that you're blind, but that's not an excuse. There we go. See, you can do it if you really want to. So, I looked up on YouTube because I know that Ahriman's Prophecy also has some inns where you can stay, and there's music, and Ahriman's Prophecy actually has 3 little jingles for when you're resting at an inn. And I listened to all 3 of them, and the interesting thing is... do I... Just sadness, there we go. The interesting thing is that, I mean, the 3 of them probably means that there is like different areas that have different jingles. I listened to all 3, and the 3rd one in that game is the exact same jingle as in this game. And I do think that Ahriman's Prophecy has something to do with Final Fantasy. Like, I looked up once how it ties in. Oh, did I miss this? Oh, I'm up on this. Lands into the ground. There we go. I don't know what that is. Long range attack. Fucking amazing. What is that? Wait, no, I get it. I want to give that to Barrett. Because apparently, so if I put long range on the cannonball should be long range weapon now. As far as I can tell. Or maybe not, and it's dumb and I don't get it. But now, he gets to be a long range attacker yet again, even though he doesn't have a long range weapon. Great. I like it. What's Aveyond? I don't know what that is. It's like, but yeah, something like that. And Archimon's Prophecy is like a side story, like a side game, not part of the main, but set in the same universe. Oh, I should be pressing this. So shit. But then, does it have anything to do with Final Fantasy? Was it made by Squeenix, or why do they use the same music? It's just default RPG Maker music or what? Guess I'm just gonna call these scorpions. They're not scorpions, but they might as well be. Well, I mean, yeah, it was free, that's why I played it. But that never stopped companies from taking down fan games anyway, let alone official ones. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Also, that was the game. Imagine playing a game like Archimon's Prophecy without, first of all, without being able to read English. So all the story is completely lost on me. I'm just gonna make up my own. And having absolutely zero concept of grinding. Imagine playing a JRPG like that. Unable to read any text whatsoever. And not understanding that you're supposed to grind for levels a bit if you want to keep up. At least in Archimon's Prophecy, it's a very grindy game. Okay, where am I? Guess I'm gonna go south. Is this thing? Hello. Are you winking at me? There you are. We've been fighting the Shinra on this battlefield for a long time. We've still settled in for a long war with them. Could you spare some time and help us fight them? We don't want to sound pushy, so if you're busy with something, why don't you finish that first? Where is Junon? Let's see, head north along the coast, keep going a ways and you'll run into Junon. But be alert because it sits in the shadows of a small hill. What is this? Kinda feel like I should do this later. Not right now. Kinda feel like this would be kind of, you know, a little difficult. Maybe. It sounds like I'm not supposed to be here yet. What? Why is it weird? Should I do it or what? I guess I'm gonna give it a try. If I get destroyed, then oh well. Really? I going up and they'll fill you in on the details. Zoom! A weird way of entering. Okay. It's hard to get to. Okay, so what's this? Now this is something. I never thought anyone would ever climb up here. Your eyes are different. Well, anyhow, any minute now, this will be a battlefield against Shinra. You better get down before you get involved. Shinra? What the hell are those jackasses doing here? What do you mean a battlefield? It appears you have a problem with Shinra too. After all, you climbed up here. Clearly means you hate them. Why not listen to what I have to say for a moment? I mean, if we have a moment, you just said we have a moment until it becomes a battlefield. Do you know what's at the top of this mountain? Huh? Something up there? A huge bird. The reactor and the condor. That's right, on that mountain is a condor and a reactor. It seems the Shinra doesn't like the idea of having a condor on top of the reactor. Damn, that's one big bird. Why are they trying to get rid of it with weapons? Why? Seems there is some type of special material in the reactor above us. And because the condor came, the Shinra rushed troops here. The military wants to get the condor and all villagers off this mountain. The condor is now warming its eggs, which hatches only once every few years. We would like to protect condor from being harmed. New lives. I'll do it. I'll protect them from Shinra. Boss. You must protect the condor egg, right? Yeah, sure, that too. Fortunately, we don't have the ability to fight Shinra ourselves. Then how are you alive? That's why you have hired soldiers to help us. As our sponsor, you can help us with a contribution or by fighting alongside us. What do you think? You want to join the fight? What's there to think about? We gotta do it. But why are you still worrying about it? Alright. Hey, we'll come to the rescue. Yes, let's do our best. Arit, you contributed nothing to this conversation. Thank you. There's a save point right here. I'm gonna use that. Could probably also sleep here. Let's rest. Let's rest, okay. Let's get some rest. Listen. This is the exact same fucking... Okay. Okay, let's save. Fourth condor. Great. And now, I guess, well, there is a few things. This is seriously... What is this, first of all? Nothing. This is giving me, like, Luigi's Mansion vibes over here with the ladders and stuff. Okay, what are you selling? You're going in there. You're buying. What are you selling? Nothing new, really. What about you? Oh, do your best, will you too? Okay. Fire. Lightning, ice, restore. Okay, I already have all of that stuff. So these are, I think these are mostly selling merchants where I can sell stuff. I guess if I want to start, I go up here. Where does this go? Yeah, it goes up. Probably further up the mountain. I have to kill Shinra. Can I go up? Can I? There we go. Hello. Thanks for accepting. So, shall I let you in on our strategy? The enemy has targeted our mountain reactor and will be climbing to reach it. We must set a trap and hire soldiers to protect the place. Please don't use page up, page down and that kind of stuff. Well, this is all you have. This village doesn't have any money. Even if we wanted to fight, we can't because we're broke. We need 400 gil to hire one soldier. And 12 soldiers bring 8,000. We know when we're asking selfish, we send our wives children around real where they're designed to stay. Nitro base 6, I'm just gonna fight. I don't have the money. Using direct contact, if the enemy gets here and there's still a chance to win. It's only a slight chance. We have no idea how much the reactor can endure in an attack. Well, when we can't defend against the attack any longer, the Shinra will take our lives, the condor and all the material in the reactor. No pressure. Flying, move at high speed, stoner, 3 stoners and everything. Is this a fucking tower defense? I don't have money. Hey, looks like you're attack. Please, any help is appreciated. Preparations ready? Okay, ready. 10 enemies. Prepare the many beasts, so you may want to deploy more attackers. Okay, sure. That's the... Oh fuck, that's a big bird. Attacker, defense, shooter. that's the soldier. Another one. Yeah. Do I need more? Shit, that's a long map. Guess I should put one here as well. One over here. Just swarm the area, fuck it. Hey, wait, Muset Beast loses to barbarians. Maybe I should put, like, just in case, like, they also have some barbarians. I put this stuff here. Okay. Sure, start it. Oh, there they come. Very slowly. Oh my god. I guess I'm gonna go after them since they are just... I really put them very far. Guess I'm gonna move them down. Any combat happening yet? Oh shit, that's a wyvern. I don't have wyvern. It's wyvern, sure. You just there's a wyvern here, please attack it, thank you. But there's a combat happening here. Okay, that's great. Good for you. Holy shit, what's happening? I think I'm winning. I'm not sure though. Okay, that's great. Ah shit, that's yeah, you move back please. I'm gonna put down Wyvern Destroyer. And that's all my money. You try to kill this. Okay. Good. Okay. There's another wyvern over here. Can I move please? No. No. Stop. You attack that. Just attack one for each. It's gonna be... Yeah, that's great. Okay, you are way too far from that. So just fall back for now. I'm gonna call you if I need you. You are going to move over here, and you're not good against the wyvern. Please move away. The fuck are you doing? You're not gonna be good there. Please move away. Okay, okay. They are... No, that's a shooter. No. I don't think this guy is gonna catch up. Guess I'm gonna have to sacrifice a few people to take this down. You stay here. The fuck is that? Commander. If I kill the enemy commander, I win. So I'm gonna suicide a few guys into them. Because I have plenty of those still just standing around here doing nothing. You move here. You move here, I guess. These guys are so gonna die. Yes. Probably a bad idea. Go back. Nope, he's dead. I think I need one of the big guys for that. In fact, I'm gonna bring both of them down. It's really only that commander guy left, so I'm gonna direct more people over there. You know, I thought... Shut up. I thought I was playing Final Fantasy, not... What was the name? Fire Emblem, or whatever. I don't know how much these guys are gonna survive, so let's just send in even more guys. Just everyone. It's worrying because on the left I see that we're roughly at the halfway point. Or maybe that's just that this guy made it to the halfway. We need to get rid of him fast, so let's just fuck it. Everyone attack. Right, this guy. Everyone, right now. Okay, that's great. I don't want to see this. I want to direct more people there. He can only attack so fast. If we overwhelm him, he's gonna just die. It's gonna be great. Look at that. He only has... Well, he's dead. Yeah. I hope I never have to do this again. Ooh, that was good. Bashira's troops will be back. Be sure and scout the area well. We don't know when they'll attack again. 10 allies left, so here's 2,000 Jill. But yeah, I found it just now on the battlefield. Maybe I can hand it for you guys. Magic comb. What the fuck is that? I don't see it anywhere here. It should show up even if it's a weapon. Maybe I'm just blind. Oh, it's a feather. Okay, whatever. I mean, I like the weapon. It's kind of useless to me because I don't use red. Should I do this again? I kind of just want to... I just want to chase down the guy. Sephi. I already put it on once, didn't I? There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna do this again. I kind of just want to continue the story for now. Even if I don't know where to go. If you know where to go, I would appreciate the help. For now, I'm gonna just go down. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Am I going further south? Is that connected there? Kinda look like I can keep going, but maybe not. What the fuck is that?